Teacher charged with unlawful wounding. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the Trelawney Police Division have charged a 34-year-old teacher with unlawful wounding. Charges Geovanni Johnson of Stetton District, Alberton, Trelawney. Reports from the Falmouth Police are that on Saturday around 3 p.m., a man was at a bar among a group of people when Johnson entered and an argument developed between the two. The argument became physical, and during the altercation, Johnson allegedly used an object to hit the complainant to the right side of his head, causing it to bleed. A report was later made to the police and Johnson was subsequently arrested and charged for the offense. His court date is to be finalized. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.